Menterang bak kejelau Conrad gesang ma mentakas ngi kelai pau terik risau ajal pesan ulah Hiar cak sinong Thangsning ke bahap Mawkynrew blok banyak kendu ya kipait ba nong rep. Hakan di kejing kendu ikipait ba menterang ba ulah Hiar selok halo kejing pentrekam ya skim beper bat kiwe kejing don kam katany naduk kapuli putih karep karyang ka umbam umdi bat kiwe. Hadin berak sengap ikasu nagi pait ba amterang ba lapan benar ban ai khat lai points lai pesan Klur ban sina ya kejingkeng jongsha Conrad nalo ban sina ro ya kemadan plang plastik kebadan hajan ka Indo Stadium Mawkynrew. Ula penbenar ban bu sa siaja news pak teli kimini akan wadi center haka jela haka niki as nem banwan. Susu amterang ba penbenar sa ndrupulak tengka ban penbahaya al teli ki akan wadi center.
For 15 metric ton capacity for potato, especially this Mawkynrew is a potato belt. So this we are going to establish allotment have been done to Conrad sir.
Ngidon arpoi teli ki PHC plus ki ba ngi la ajet na bentakan ni state. Na kita ki arpoi teli iser AI art teli Mawkynrew block. Pidebat ajing tap ketia kata.
So in 3 months time this will start. There will be 2 PHC pluses, as I said, 1 additional doctor in board, 2 additional nurses, 75 lakhs of additional investment and 10 additional beds in each one. So both those PHCs will be expanded. Thank you.
Kani kalai kebadan hapo kaniga konsumsi ba chingi barakoi gele ba pla hadu kata te barabor ngi ma di jinge ak bede ba jing me lai
then the whole area will be affected. That is one reason. Then 33 line from Blacksmith Ujongsha is a very old line.
So through that project, one of your main connection line, the renovation is already been allotted. So the company has already in fact got the work order and they are
because people here in Mawkynrew, most of the students come from poor families.
Puli ha kaneka school ka longkum ki school JNV EMRS school ki longkum ki school JNV.
The Social Welfare Department Banbu Aganwadi Center Hagitu ki jaka ki ba ki nong shnong ki la bon but ke shem jing e ki ban lecture ki Anganwadi Center
ngila jiet ya ki self help group ha ki ni ki sautali ki shnong ki bajingai berlemba ki self help group ngila yo ban penpoi kabam shaki longkeme bat ki khlung ha ki ni ki shnong
requiring signature of contractors. Hatu kini ki nong bala bun ki long kemi long kpa but ki samla ki bakwa ban le registration
in the state. Yeah, so we have a huge amount of
yes sir.
So this is meant for them only.
For them, yes sir.
So now the more they register, then you mention about the benefits that they will get.
Ndai haduk mentalai potri utau kau umpat poi. Tekani kalawan rai ke jinge ke bakrau hakani ke than ke jongi. Bat ka balai pat kadai. Ha, kabaya day bat kajing bom biang kilo jong ni ukau ration.